Welcome to LITBLINDS store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Stunning design for PVC vinyl floor and ceiling panels. The flooring design of a space is akin to the foundation of a grand architectural masterpiece. It not only serves as a functional element but also significantly contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal and ambience of a room. When envisioning the perfect flooring design, one must consider various factors, including the purpose of the space, the desired atmosphere, and the existing interior decor. Whether opting for timeless hardwood, sleek tiles, plush carpeting, or innovative materials like bamboo or cork, each choice brings its unique character and charm. The interplay of colors, textures, and patterns opens up endless possibilities for creativity and personal expression. From the classic elegance of marble to the rustic warmth of reclaimed wood, every flooring option tells a story and sets the tone for the entire room. Beyond aesthetics, functionality is paramount. The flooring should be durable, easy to maintain, and conducive to the activities of the space. Whether creating a cozy sanctuary in a residential home or a sophisticated ambience in a commercial establishment, the flooring design serves as the cornerstone of interior design, anchoring the space in both style and substance. In essence, the flooring design encapsulates the marriage of form and function, blending practicality with creativity to create spaces that are not only visually stunning but also harmonious and inviting. It is the foundation upon which the entire design scheme is built, setting the tone for the inhabitants' experiences and interactions within the space. Seamless integration. A well-designed flooring seamlessly integrates with the overall interior design scheme, complementing other elements such as wall colors, furnishings, and accessories. Whether aiming for a cohesive, monochromatic look or a contrasting palette to add visual interest, the flooring serves as a unifying element that ties the room together. Texture and tactility. Texture plays a crucial role in adding depth and character to the flooring design. Smooth, polished surfaces evoke a sense of sophistication and modernity, while textured finishes such as hand-scraped wood or natural stone lend an organic, tactile appeal. Incorporating a variety of textures not only enhances visual interest but also enriches the sensory experience of the space. Ceiling panels offer a versatile and stylish solution for enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of interior spaces. These panels, available in a variety of materials, designs, and finishes, can transform ceilings from overlooked surfaces into captivating focal points. Here's a comprehensive overview of ceiling panels and their benefits. Materials. Ceiling panels come in various materials, each offering unique advantages. Common options include wood. Wood panels lend a warm, natural aesthetic to interiors and are available in a range of finishes, from rustic to contemporary. They can add texture and visual interest to ceilings while also providing acoustic benefits, dampening sound and reducing echo. Acoustic. Acoustic ceiling panels are specifically designed to improve sound quality by absorbing excess noise and reducing reverberation. They are often used in theaters, recording studios, offices, and educational facilities to create more comfortable and conducive environments. Designs and finishes. Ceiling panels come in a wide array of designs and finishes to suit different aesthetic preferences and architectural styles. Some popular options include textured. Textured ceiling panels add depth and dimension to ceilings, creating visual interest and drama. Common textures include popcorn, swirl, stipple, and coffered patterns. Smooth. Smooth ceiling panels offer a clean and contemporary look, ideal for modern and minimalist interiors. They provide a sleek and uniform surface that complements a wide range of decor styles. Decorative. Decorative ceiling panels feature intricate designs, patterns, and motifs that can evoke various themes, such as traditional, floral, geometric, or Art Deco. They serve as statement pieces that enhance the overall ambience of the space. Faux finishes, such as wood grain, metallic, or stone effects, allow ceiling panels to mimic the appearance of more expensive materials at a fraction of the cost. They provide a cost-effective way to achieve the desired aesthetic without compromising on quality or durability. Installation and maintenance. Ceiling panels are typically installed using a variety of methods, including adhesive, screws, or clips, depending on the material and design. Professional installation ensures proper alignment and stability, resulting in a flawless finish. Once installed, ceiling panels require minimal maintenance, such as occasional cleaning or dusting to keep them looking fresh and new. Functional benefits. In addition to enhancing aesthetics, ceiling panels offer several functional benefits, including insulation. Some ceiling panels are designed to improve thermal insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Lighting integration. Ceiling panels can be customized to accommodate recessed lighting fixtures, ceiling fans, speakers, and other built-in features, providing seamless integration and a cohesive look. Concealed surfaces. Ceiling panels can conceal unsightly wires, pipes, ducts, and structural elements, creating a clean and polished appearance while maximizing vertical space. Overall, ceiling panels are a versatile and practical solution for elevating interior design and enhancing the comfort and functionality of any space. Whether used in residential, commercial, or institutional settings, they offer endless possibilities for creativity, customization, and visual impact. Customization options. Ceiling panels offer extensive customization options to suit the unique requirements and design preferences of each space. From custom sizes and shapes to personalized finishes and patterns, designers can tailor ceiling panels to create bespoke solutions that perfectly complement the overall design concept. Customization allows for the creation of truly one-of-a-kind ceilings that serve as signature elements within a space, leaving a lasting impression on occupants and visitors alike. Integrated features. Ceiling panels can be integrated with a variety of functional features to enhance the usability and efficiency of a space. Built-in features such as speakers, ventilation grilles, sprinklers, and access panels can be seamlessly incorporated into ceiling panels, providing a streamlined and cohesive aesthetic. Integration of these features not only optimizes space utilization but also eliminates the need for additional fixtures or protrusions, maintaining a clean and uncluttered ceiling surface. Environmental considerations. Many ceiling panel materials are available with eco-friendly options that prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility. Recycled content, low VOC emissions, and renewable materials are some of the eco-conscious features that can be found in modern ceiling panels. Choosing sustainable ceiling panel materials contributes to green building practices and helps reduce the environmental impact of interior design projects, aligning with the growing trend towards sustainable architecture and construction. Fire safety. Fire safety is a critical consideration in building design, particularly in commercial and public spaces where large numbers of people may gather. Ceiling panels are available with fire-resistant properties, offering enhanced protection against the spread of flames and smoke in the event of a fire. Fire-rated ceiling panels meet stringent safety standards and codes, providing peace of mind to occupants and building owners alike. Incorporating fire-resistant ceiling panels into interior design plans ensures compliance with regulatory requirements and enhances overall safety measures within the built environment.
LITBLINDS required professionals for blinds installation. Contact us for Become Our Partner. Order online or free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Dubai. LITBLINDS provide free shipping and get 50% off in each countries. Order quickly to save your amount. Contact US Canada 514-826-5278 and USA 254 708-6262. or email islitblinds@gmail.com. LITBLINDS. Store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments, and share.